Hello, today I will show you how to overcome the error which you faced while installing the Windows 11 operating system from a bootable drive. Okay. The error which comes shows that minimum system requirement is not satisfied. For that you have to start the power button. First you click, then immediately after clicking the power button you have to click F12. In my system the F12 will lead me to my boot menu. In your system it may be different. You please find out that key. Here I have created the USB drive which is SanDisk, that is a bootable drive. In that I have installed the Windows 11. Then you press enter, go into that. Here press any key to boot from USB. Press any key to boot from USB. Then it will load the win11 software operating system. Here it is. Here only one option is available, but here you can select our country, that is India. Then you press next. Install now. Here you will get that error. See, this is the error. This PC can't run Windows 11. This PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirement to install this version of Windows. For more information, visit this website. This we can overcome by entering into the command prompt and bypassing some values. Okay, what are those values? What are those parameters? That let's enter into the command prompt first. So in order to enter into the command prompt, you have to press Shift F10. Then we have to edit register. For that we have to type regedit, edit. Okay, then press enter. It will enter into the dialog box that is saying the register edit. Here you have to select the Hkeylocalmachin. Then in that Hkeylocalmachin you have to select system. In that system you have to select setup. Here you have to right click on setup, then you have to new, then key, and then type labconfig. Press enter. Just click on that labconfig, and in this empty space you have to right click it, then go to new, and then you have to enter the Dword 32-bit value. Don't think that you have 64-bit operating system. You have to enter this only, Dword 32-bit value. Click on that value, and then you have to bypass, type bypass TPMcheck. Then press enter. After that, double click on that bypassTPMcheck which you have created and change this value data to 1. Press OK. Again repeat the same procedure. Right click on the empty space, go into new, Dword 32-bit value. This time you have to type bypassSecurebootcheck. Okay, bypassSecurebootcheck. Then enter. Double click on the same thing. Change the value to 1. Press OK. Right click, the same procedure you repeat for the third time. Dword, same thing, 32-bit. Then this time you have to type bypass PASS RAM check. RAM should be in capital and this TPM should be in capital. Okay, then enter, double click on it, change the value to 1. After successfully bypassing these 3 parameters, you can close that one. Make sure you have written without any space between the things, and then TPM is capital. In bypass TPM check, TPM is capital. In bypass secure boot check, nothing is capital. In bypass RAM check, RAM is capital, okay, and there is no space between that. These things you have to make sure. Then you close it, and here one value, one value, one value, you have to add the value to 1. You have to close it, and then you exit, or you type exit, or you can directly close the command prompt, and then you can close this also. No, yeah. Then you install it, press the install button. This time that error will not come. See, it will be through. It is asking the I accepted. Then next you can select the custom installation or update install Windows. I will select the custom, and then in this partition already I have installed the win11. If you install it again one more time, it will format and it will install. Okay, you got it. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.